So hey guys, this is Vishwajit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Visual Studio Code on your Linux system. And I'll be using the latest version of Ubuntu, which is 22.0, 22.10 as of now. And hopefully, if you are using Ubuntu, we will be at a complete sync. And if you are using any other distribution like Fedora and all others, so I'll ask you to do Google. But anyone who is using Ubuntu or Ubuntu based distribution or even Debian, this is for like we will be completely in sync. So first of all, there are multiple ways of using like downloading Visual Studio Code. The most easy one is if you are using Ubuntu, you will be having an app store, and hopefully other distributions have the app store. So you can come to the Ubuntu software. Okay, I should not say app store, it's the Ubuntu software. So it is going to take some time to load. Software catalog is being downloaded. Probably my first time of opening this software catalog. Downloading applications rating. Okay, so now this started. Since it took some time because this was my first time opening the app, the Ubuntu software. Now here we can come over in this top left and we can search VSCode. Yeah, so you can install it from here. You can go inside, just install this one, huh? Don't install the insiders one. So we'll go over here, you can install and it will be installed. Okay, you don't have to worry, it will be installed. And if you don't have app store or you don't have like Ubuntu store, or you are facing some issue with the installation, so what you can do, you can open your Firefox. And probably my first time opening this, I'll skip this, just skip everything. I'm not interested in this. Okay, start browsing, thank you. Yeah, so I'll close this and I will search for VSCode. Okay, so I got the first link, I'll open that. And yep, so since we are using Ubuntu, I'll be downloading this .dev file. But if you are using Fedora or something else, you can use .rpm. But I'll be downloading this .dev file. Okay, I'll click and probably the download should start. Yeah, it started. And it is downloaded. Okay, so I'll show all downloads. Okay, I can click over here. Else I can come to files. I can come to downloads and it will be there. Okay. Now, once this is present in your downloads folder, there are two ways to install this. So you can just double click and it will again open your Ubuntu software. It will load some details and you can install. Okay. I think you have to put your password over there and it will be installed. Else there is the last option that I know. So you can just right click, open in terminal. Okay. Yeah. So what I will do, dpkg, hopefully I'm not wrong, -I, and I have to type code. You can press tab and it should be completed. And that's it. If we just press enter, requested operation request super user privileges. Okay, so we have to put sudo. So it's like the same thing, dpkg -I. Just have to come over here and type sudo. Okay, so enter and I have to give the password and enter and see it started. Okay, so this is like if anything is not working for me, then I use this dpkg, this command. And that's the last way like this is the only last way that I use, and it is installed. So how we can verify? We can come over here, we can scroll, and Visual Studio Code. So it started. So probably a very straightforward process. Okay, it's as easy as on Windows, and we can you like this is done, right? So I can close this. I'll put mark down, mark done, or you can choose what all themes and stuff you want. But I'll close this since Visual Studio Code is properly installed. Okay, you can mark complete and those things. I mean, you can read and you can do it. Okay, so Visual Studio Code is installed on your Ubuntu system, and that's it. That's it for this video. In the upcoming videos, I will share some of the extensions that I use. Like if you are working on Python, there are some specific 2 to 3 sets of extensions that I would recommend you to use. If you are learning web development, generally there is some extension called as Emmet and Live Server. You can use those extensions also. But probably I am also exploring more extensions, and I'll show you some themings and stylings and those things. I like to customize my Visual Studio Code a little bit. So anyways, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, do press that like button, and as always, I'll see you in the upcoming awesome video.